pollution is one of the main environmental issues that we are facing right now, as more than 70% of the Earth's surface is water covered. Today, our group would like to share with you guys about what causes water pollution, what are its effects, and what are the possible solutions to prevent water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution can be defined as the contamination of a stream, river, lake, ocean, or any other stretch of water, depleting water quality and making it toxic for the environment and humans.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arfan Hadi, and today I'm going to talk about Malaysia water issues. The first one are the crisis in Selangor, where the water shortage are causing thousands of consumers to be cut off from their water source, right? This is because of the shutdown of 4 water treatments due to the cause of nearby vehicle factory discharging toxic waste into the river, which supplies the water treatment with water. The second one are the case in Pasir Gudang, where in Sungai Kim there are 4 men were charged were arrested because they were discharging toxic chemical into Sungai Kim, which causes 111 schools to forced to close, and 5,000 each people to get medical treatment because they inhaled the toxic fume. The last water issue of in Penang, where the ocean are polluted and causing hard times to the fishermen, and they are having a bad catch, and it was very hard for them to sustain their life. And the Department of Environment of Malaysia are actually investigating about the Penang water pollution, which are currently rising to a point where it is fishermen unable to catch fishes.
Alright, thank you Arfan. I'll be taking over from here. So there are more examples of current issues regarding water pollution in Malaysia. There are 2 critical water pollution cases that I would like to mention. The first one is located at Johor, and the second one takes place in Selangor. First and foremost, let's go through Johor. A river called Sayong River is one of the main tributaries of the Johor River, which supplies raw water to millions of residents in south of Johor and Singapore as well. Residents of Kampung Munir Jaya, where Sayong River passes through, have complaints for years regarding the stench from poultry farms and fertilizer factory, which has become the main contribution to the river contamination. For instance, chicken defeces from nearby farms that causes the water to be contaminated. And on the other hand, a river goes by the name Sungai Gong is a river located in Rawang, Selangor. The river is recently contaminated by the human activities, or we should declare that as a human foul. 2 irresponsible individual, which I would not mention their names, has pleaded guilty to the charges accused, which are committing a mischief by disposing waste product containing hazardous materials into a waterway that would flow directly towards Sungai Gong, despite knowing it would cause water shortage for human consumption. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ezzat, and let us go through on how the water pollution's impact in our social or community. So the first, the shortage of drinkable water might happen because according to the United Nations, billions of people worldwide have lack access to drinking safe water and sanitation. So mostly in our rural regions, then it can cause disease because according to the World Health Organization, over 2 billion people are forced to drink polluted water and might exposing them to illnesses such as cholera, hepatitis A, and dysentery. And the third one is the child humanity rate may occur because, according to the United Nations, diarrhea illness caused by the lack of cleanliness can kill around 1,000 children globally each day. So, and the last one, the pollution of food chain may occur. The toxins were introduced into our foods by fishing in the disease and using the wastewater for animal husbandry, and crops might be detrimental to our health when consumed. So let's us go through on how to mitigate all of this impact. The first thing is we do not dump our trash into the oceans. Then we also do not dispose our chemicals or paint or other hazardous material into water sources or maybe drains. And we also have to report anyone who, if we see anyone throws rubbish into our body of water to the authorities. And we also have to raise the awareness in our community by teaching our children and spreading the words to the other.
As a conclusion, water pollution is indeed a very serious concern because it is not only has an impact on health but also can have negative effects on various industry and agriculture. Therefore, it is very important to implement all the suitable methods to reduce the level of water pollution that we are currently facing. Last but not least, be part of the solution, not the pollution.